Good afternoon. In last class of today, I had left the verb exercise only after doing the warm up. I just waited for getting the responses from you all, but since you haven't understand how you have to combine the both pairs of sentences by using non-finite verbs, so from A we have to start. The question number A1. The thief cut through the padlock. He opened the door and stole the jewels. We will start the sentence from cutting through the padlock. Cutting through the padlock. Thief opened the door and stole the jewels. Cutting through the padlock, thief opened the door and stole the jewels. Number 2. The pilot swerved sharply. She managed to avoid landing on water. Swerving sharply, pilot managed to avoid landing on water. Swerving sharply, pilot managed to avoid landing on water. Now question number 3. The pilot banked sharply. The pilot managed to avoid the buildings. Banking sharply, the pilot managed to avoid the buildings. Banking sharply, the pilot managed to avoid the buildings. Now, number 4. He disguised himself as a cleaner. He entered the bank. Disguising himself, DISGUISING. Disguising himself as a cleaner, he entered the bank. Now, the number 5. She drove as quickly as possible. She arrived just in time. Driving as quickly as possible, she arrived just in time. Driving as quickly as possible, she arrived just in time. Now, number 6. The lightning flashed strikingly. It struck the peepal tree. Flashing strikingly, flashing, FLASHING, flashing strikingly, 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 lightning struck the peepal tree. Now, number 7. The car was damaged in the accident. It needed a new set of tires. Damaging in the accident, car needed a new set of tires. Damaging in the accident, the car needed a new set of tires. Number 8. The boat was tossed up and down. It developed a leak. Tossing, TOSSING, tossing up and down, the boat developed a leak. Number 9. I was really entertained by the match. I stayed till the end. Entertaining by the match, I stayed till the end. Entertaining by the match, I stayed till the end. Now, number 10. She was happy with her present. She gave her mother a hug. Hugging her mother, HUGGING, hugging her mother, she was happy with her present. Now the exercise B. Identify the non-finite verbs. Number 1. Hunting is prohibited. So the non-finite verb in number 1 is hunting. I need to go to sleep. Underline to go. I saw him running. Underline running. Number 4. Flying making the nervous. Underline flying. I find speaking stressful. Number 5. Speaking. Number 6. This is an interesting book. Underline is. This is an interesting book. Underline interesting. Number 6. Interesting. Number 7. I love the noise of falling rain. Underline falling. Number 8. He was hopeless at writing letters. Number 8. Writing. Number 9. We have to submit our assignments by Friday. To submit. Number 10. I love camping in the woods. Underline camping. 9. Underline to submit. Number 10. Underline camping. 11. To win the match was my dream. Underline to win. Number 12. Having typed the letter, she went home. Underline having. Number 13. Ricky loves camping in the woods. Underline camping. Number 14. The sleeping cow caused a traffic jam. Underline sleeping. Number 15. One of his duties is attending meetings. Underline attending. Number 16. I am giving Madan a driving lesson. Underline driving. Number 17. The three woodcutters went to find firewood. Underline to find. Number 18. I would like a sandwich to eat. Underline to eat. Now question number C. Fill in the blanks with suitable non-finite verbs. I plan to read till midnight. To read. In blank you have to write to read. T-O-2-R-E-A-D. Read. Now number 2. I heard my mother was talking on the phone. Was talking. Would you mind to open the window for me? He likes to solve problems. Number 5. To win the prize is my dream. To win the prize is my dream. Number 6. Walking through the park. So in blank you have to write walking. Number 7. Be careful when to cross. To cross the road. I saw a small girl playing near the pond. Number 8. Playing. Number 9. Mother smelt something. To cook. To cook. Number 10. They found their loving dog. Number 11. Talking is always fun. You can write the other options also, like playing, sleeping, watching movie, etc. So I am here just telling you that talking is always fun. Now number 12. We intended to work early. Number 13. The dogs were taught to obey. To obey on command. T-O-2-O-B-E-Y. Obey on command. Now number D. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verbs in the brackets. In options, verbs are given. Only we have to use the correct form. They were looking. L-O-O-K-I-N-G. Looking for an inn. To rest. To rest. Number 2. We sat down carefully because we didn't want to fall. Sat down carefully because we didn't want to fall. He went abroad to find work. First blank went, second blank to find. Number 4. The doctor advised him. The doctor advised him to start walking for an hour every morning. First blank advised, second blank to start. Number 5. The teacher asked the students to finish their work quickly. First blank asked, second blank to finish. Number 6. The poor urchin requested the shopkeeper to give. First blank requested, second blank to give him something to eat. Number 7. The students were not changing their usual school timings. Number 8. Fahad will go to the market to buy some fruits and medicines for his sick child. First blank will go, second blank to buy. Number 9, he must have go out to clean the garage. First blank go, second blank to clean. Number 10, we moved, MOVED, we moved into a bigger flat.